So hello and welcome. My name is Mustafa Bay. I'm the founder of AT Instruments. AT Instruments is a company founded at 2020 at Cairo, Egypt, and soon to expand to Canada at 2021. So our product provides three main services: predictive collision warning, driver and vehicle DNA. So the entire interaction between the driver and the vehicle is analyzed by our AI algorithms. And third, an online video streaming over the cloud inside and outside the cabin. So how is this achievable? Achievable through two main things: the dash cams that could be targeting the what's inside the vehicle and outside. So our module could actually support up to 8 cameras and any kind of cameras. So starting from a normal $20 PC camera up to 4K cameras with thousands of dollars. This is the beauty of it. Second, as I said, support up to 8 cameras. So it could be actually divided around the car, recording every single thing inside and outside. Could accommodate all kinds of vehicles. So trucks, buses, with 8 cameras, you can actually record anything what you wish at any with different angles. Second is vehicle bus monitoring to understand what's inside the vehicle, what is the interaction inside the vehicle, and to detect if there's any kind of safety hazard or cybersecurity attacks. Now how is this sold? Two main things, or three main things actually. So B2C, so it could actually be sold around $130. Second thing is that it could be sold as a B2B, so as a service to insurance companies, to fleet monitoring companies, mobility as a service companies to monitor the driver and monitor what's happening inside the cabin. And third, to be sold to automotive business and automotive suppliers. So hopefully this is our big goal, to be that this AI algorithm could actually be embedded inside the new vehicles, the new top of the art vehicles that are to be released in the next couple of years. So yeah, this is basically what we hope for. This is what we achieved. We already have an MVP. We already have deployed this car, deployed these AI models in my car in the busy streets of Cairo, and it had achieved a great results. Hopefully you would see these videos on YouTube, and hopefully I could get a funding to complete my marketing and sales targets. Thank you very much.